Hey y'all, we got the Vio camera out. We're going to give it a quick test, quick go. This is the camera we had on our head for that Daytona video. It's 1080p. It's a wider lens. It's a little different than the GoPro, but I figured I just got it back for the third time from the repair joint. No charge, by the way. Way to go, guys at Markham Technologies, fixing this thing up. I got the cameras right here so I can see myself, you know. But, well, we're working on rear bumper on the cart today. Not going to do the test day. Got not enough guys. Well, we're willing to throw up the cash. So we're a week out. It's the 21st of October on a Sunday, and I just wanted to run you through what we're doing with the back bumper. Even if we were going to go ahead and put the second radiator on the back to give us double the capacity for the test, we were going to go ahead and extend the bumper out. So our exhaust was inside the bumper instead of, for all these years, it's been outside the bumper. So we got lucky without anybody, you know, running in the back of us and taking it off. But went and picked up some it's about 040 or 140, 140 thou, a little bigger than 1/8 inch steel to make gussets and stuff. So we extended the bumper, and I'll bring you over there so you can check that out. Extended it out away from the chassis some more. Those tubes used to be about 3 inches long. They're now, I think, 7 inches long. So we extended it quite a bit. Where this washer is there, that's where the end of the chassis is. So all the rubber hose that we slipped over top there fits in there real tight, real nice. Not tight, but real snug. And we'll lube those up with grease so that the chassis is allowed to move. And we have to drill through this. We've already got holes in the chassis that we'll drill through. And we'll probably go an extra, probably 30 thou on the drill bit just to leave, so the bolts are keeping the bumper into the chassis but aren't clamping it down or doing any binding. But that's it. We used the metal we just picked up to make some nice gussets, drilled some lightning holes in it, welded them on. After we welded the tubes on, we put 5/8 round stock up inside the tubing as well to make sure it was not going to just flop and bounce. And you know, especially if we were going to clamp some clamps on here and mount a radiator on there to test, we wanted to make sure the bumper wasn't going to come off. So, but there it is. We've got everything on it and welded on, and we threw some flat black paint on it the other day, and we'll take it out to the trailer and put it on and drop the rear of the exhaust back on and let you see what it looks like. But that's what we've been playing with as things developed with the shutting down, canceling the track day and stuff. No big deal. It just allows us to get more work done quicker, sooner. So we've got a lot to do over the winter, and we're going to bring you a whole bunch of those videos too. But just wanted to let you know what we've been doing, playing around with, and we're going to throw the old bumper on. We'll show you what it looks like. We'll talk to you later.